So next, I'm going to show you how to create a wallet in TronLink. So we're going to go into TronLink and we're going to tap on Create Wallet. And then you must read and agree to the user agreement. Obviously, you should read this and go through it and understand it. For our purpose, we'll just get to the bottom. Okay, so here you can name your wallet whatever you'd like. I'm going to just name it Test. And then Test. And, oh, sorry, let me go back. My mistake. I forgot you have to have a capital and a number, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And next. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's wrong? Okay, let's try this again. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try this again. Done. And then we tap on Create Wallet. And there you go. You have a wallet created. And now we're going to back it up. This is when you will get your mnemonic phrase. And we're going to tap on that to view it. And then we're going to have to write them all down. Okay, so now that we've got the words written down, we'll hit already backed up. So now it's going to ask you what the third word is. So the third word was burger, so you'll tap on that. Then it's going to ask for the second word. The second word was exhibit, so we're going to tap on that. And now it's going to ask for the fourth word, orient. This is why you write them down. And obviously, again, I want to reiterate that because I've shown the secret phrase for this wallet, it is not going to be kept. I will delete this wallet because you never share that information publicly. Because I've shared that information publicly, this wallet is now no good. Okay, so now that I've re-added my TronLink wallet, the test wallet, onto my iPhone, I can try and show you what the mnemonic will look like. So first, I tapped on the little person on the bottom left corner. I apologize for the loud sounds in the background. That's my dog chewing his food. So then you'll tap on Wallet Management, and right here in the middle, you'll see Backup Mnemonic. And then you'll have to enter your password that you created for your wallet. Tap Confirm. And then now you can tap on View Mnemonic, and it'll show you the mnemonic. Or you can get the QR code. That's it for this tutorial.